Most fish eat smaller fish, but this fish hunts birds. Meet the tigerfish, one of the most terrifying predators in African rivers. It has razor-sharp teeth designed for attacking fast-moving prey. But scientists discovered something shocking. Tigerfish have been seen launching out of the water, grabbing birds in midair, and dragging them underwater. These attacks happen in seconds. Its speed, power, and deadly accuracy make it one of the river's top hunters. This isn't a shark, it's a fish. Follow Deep Blue Stories for more unbelievable fish facts.